All right, so we're gonna dig in here. This is the finished product. Look at this. Look at this lineup. Woo! And we may have a bonus feature. Look at that. That's right, Mr. Rev it, baby, rev it. Yeah. They got Glenn back there, his awesome BMW. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. I've got another great video for you today. It is a beautiful, beautiful, crisp morning here in New Jersey. I am headed out to meet the crew, and we're gonna go take you to a bunch of amazing spots. We're headed over to our buddy Nedal's house. He's gonna be cooking up an authentic breakfast for most of the crew, so you're not gonna wanna miss it. So stick around. Before we do, I'm Fly and Ride. On this channel, I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Street Glide CVO that you see right here. I also feature a 2022 BMW R1250 GS called Airwolf, and I fly a DJI MAVIC 2 drone featuring cinematic drone footage of most of the destinations that we go to, and we feature group rides like we're going to do this morning. We got a bunch of guys coming out this morning, destination rides, product upgrades, product reviews, and all things here on the Fly and Ride channel. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. I'm headed to our usual spot here this morning. We've got some of the crew meeting us there, some of the crew meeting us at Nedal's house, and we may have a bonus feature later on. Not sure if they're going to make it yet, but you're going to want to stay tuned. You're going to recognize this one individual and maybe a few others. Amazing, amazing bikes, amazing folks. Again, you're going to want to stick around. Let's roll. We got the crew here. You're gonna see them all on the ride. They got Glenn back there, his awesome BMW. We're headed over to Nedal's house. I've got the lead. Once we get closer there, Nedal's gonna take the lead and it's gonna take us right home. He's cooking up some nice breakfast for us. Check them out, baby, all back there. What's up? What's up? What's up? Absolutely beautiful out. Beautiful out, man. Absolutely beautiful here. Go, go, go. All right, we're gonna stop and take a quick picture by this awesome sign back there. We'll be right back with you. All right, we are Mr. Nedal's. Masons, thank you so much for your hospitality as always. Thank you. They got Junior, they got you cooking. He couldn't even come out riding this morning. Now we know why. Look at what they have him doing.
I'm really not his brother-in-law. I'm just a fucking old chap.
Now we understand. Yeah?
To make me feel good.
All right, Junior, what are you making here?
I'm making like a very popular Middle Eastern dish.
Uh-huh.
Made with fava bean, garlic, tahini, onion, parsley.
You had me at beans, just so you know. But yeah.
Oh, you're Cuban, don't you?
I am. That looks amazing.
If you guys don't like this, it's because of me. He made this. But I don't care if you don't like this. I love it.
We're rolling deep today. We're missing some of the folks, but we got a good turnout today. Look who showed up. Look who showed up this morning. Wow, you surprised us this morning, Bill. Yep. So for my channel, you're not used to seeing him because he never wakes up in the morning. That's Gil, by the way.
That's the garlic.
Oh, look at that. That's the garlic, huh?
Yep.
Wait a minute. He's got it chopped up.
All right, so I showed you the process. I'm going to show you now after it's done, so stay tuned. All right, so we're going to dig in here. This is the finished product. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that pita bread right there. Look at those eggs. All right, dig in. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you.
You try it. You need 4. Everyone needs 4.
All right. All right. And we are out again. Hopefully you enjoyed some of those images from that amazing breakfast that Nedal, Junior, Mason, wow. It was absolutely delicious. All right, so we're headed to Shoreline. Once I get there, I'm going to show you all of the new bikes that they have. And then we're going to take these guys, check out some of the scenic roads we got going on. So enjoy. All right, we are here. Let's go inside, check out what we got. Let me show you some of these bikes. Right here. You ready? You're probably wondering what it is that we're doing here. Check this out. Look at that. That's right, Mr. Marvel Kid in the house. Special feature.
Are we gonna show your face today?
When I get to 100,000. If you can help me get to 100,000, the face is coming on.
Next week, bro.
All right, done.
Next week.
Done. You heard it here first. We came by. He's hanging out here with his crew. That was the special feature that I told you about. I wasn't sure if I was going to run into him, but obviously I did. So we're going to go for a quick ride now. Head back over to Nedal's and chill. That's right. There he is.
Yeah,
man.
came down here, guys.
Legend.
We came down with a nice group of guys, about 6 of my friends, and meet up with these great people down here. So we're gonna meet up with Nedal, right?
That's right. We're headed over there now.
Have a drink or two maybe, and chill and keep riding. And
Head down to Jersey Shore.
That's right.
All right.
Peace. Dirty Jersey.
Oh yeah. Let's roll, baby. All right, we are hanging out with Mr. Marvel Kid right there in the house. He's got his crew back there. Rev it, baby, rev it. Yeah. We are with the lit crew today. Woo! All right, we're hanging out with Mr. Marvel Kid and his lit crew. We're headed back to Nedal's house. And I'm taking you. There we go. Marvel Kid in the house. All right, we are here at Nedal's. The crew is here. Check out these bikes. Look at this lineup. Woo! Look at that thing. Woohoo. Got spots there. Look at that thing. Look at this freaking lineup. Woo! All right, there you have it. We're gonna hang out here, relax for a little bit. All right, this is the kind of content we're bringing for you at the Fly and Ride channel. Do me a favor, if you like this content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. Thanks for watching.